Stop giving your first love and everything that happens, stop giving that attention, stop giving that your energy, your focus, okay? Focus on yourself. There is nothing better than self-improvement, all right? Physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually. That is the best improvement, and that is the best thing that you can do to get over your first love.
Good, you're feeling some pain, huh? Right? Because that's all going to contribute to you growing stronger. You've got to have challenges. If there are no challenges in your life, there's no growth. So this is a good thing. That's the very first place you should proceed from. It is, okay, how am I growing stronger through this challenge? What do I have to learn? What can I learn through this challenge? What part of me am I being shown or asked to strengthen through this challenge? Always subjective, always go in first.
Just for 7 days, get up at 7 a.m. and jog for a minimum of 7 minutes over to a place where you have absolute privacy and nobody will see or hear you or disturb you. When you get to this place, scream as loud as you can until you release all your emotions. You know, many times, especially as a man, you'll notice yourself break down into tears when you do this because of the way we've been conditioned to nullify and suppress our emotions. But, you know, we're still human, so they're still there.
To get in touch with that person's inner core. And if you feel that she's moving from her inner core on a journey that's going to support her in becoming the strongest version of herself, dude, you gotta let go.
Getting over heartbreak is not a journey. It's a fight. And your reason is your strongest weapon. There is no breakup explanation that's going to feel satisfying. No rationale can take away the pain you feel. So don't search for one. Don't wait for one. Just accept the one you were offered or make up one yourself and then put the question to rest because you need that closure to resist the addiction. And you need something else as well. You have to be willing to let go, to accept that it's over. Otherwise, your mind will feed on your hope and set you back. Hope can be incredibly destructive when your heart is broken. Heartbreak is a master manipulator. The ease with which it gets our mind to do the absolute opposite of what we need in order to recover is remarkable.
If you go out and you start talking to people, if you go out and you just spend time with your friends, if you go out and just meet new people, you will feel overall better about yourself and your life in general. Right? This whole feeling of dismay will go away. It's only temporary. And in the end, fuck it. You can only live this life once, so why stress it on something that wasn't meant to be? You have to realize that everything in this world happens for a reason.
Spend some time to develop a relationship with yourself. Don't depend on others to make you happy. Ron Funderburg said those who go searching for love only make manifest their own lovelessness. And the loveless never find love, only the loving, and they never have to search for it. So get to love yourself. Get to know who you are.